Hello friends, this is ASR Learning. Welcome all of you, and I'm your host Sandeep Roy. So in this sessions our topic is MS Word shortcut keys. But here we discuss over the advanced versions of shortcut keys in MS Word. Our last video series we all discuss about A to Z shortcut keys in MS Word. But right now in this video we are discussing some advanced features. So let's find out what are the advanced features MS Word shortcuts MS Word provided us. Okay, so let's start. The first shortcut key is Control third bracket close. So press from your keyboard Control key and third bracket close key. So when you press this, before pressing this you have to select your word first. Okay, if you selected your work, then the effect will apply only that word. Okay, so first selected that word, I just want to apply my effects on this word. Control third bracket close is for font size increasing. That's when I want to increase that font size. So click on control and third bracket open. The size, you can see this, the size will increased. Okay, the size increase. And if you want to decrease the size, then control press and third brackets open. So this key, control and third bracket open. So it will decrease your font size, and third bracket close is increase your font size. Okay, good. Next one is Control Shift and D. If you have to press this 3 button at the same time. Okay, so Control Shift D is a double underline. If you want to design our text as a double underline, so we have to selected text first, then we have to press the 3 button like Control Shift and D from the keyboard. When you have to select this or press these 3 buttons, at the same time, then you can see that 2 or double underline will appear. Okay, next one is Control End. If we press Control N from the keyboard, then go to end of the file. That's mean my file is this project is 4 pages project, and right now we are standing in second page. Okay, so if we press Control End, so I just pressing my from my keyboard that Control End, then it will come to at the end of my pages or end of the file. You can see this, that right now I am standing in 4. That's been fourth page, and our total documents is 4 pages documents. Okay, so this is the last page. Okay, so come back to the first page where we discussing these topics. Yes, so this option is that Control N, go to the end of the file. And next one is Control Home. So go to starting of the file. So we press Control End. We just come that end of the file, and now we press Control Home. So this is the starting of the file. So this is the up down key, or this is the shortcut up down key. You can say that it's jumped to the first of the file and it jumped back to the end of the file. Okay, so next one, that how we can subscript and superscript in Word. We can easily answer that subscript and superscript part. Again, I am discussing all the subscript and superscript parts already. Who are not gonna watching that video, then please pause this video and go back watch this video from my Word series. But right now I'm just showing you only the shortcut keys. So subscript means this is this format, and superscript means this format, and subscript means this format. So how we can apply from our keyboard? We can do that effect from the keyboard. Like if you we have to select a text, that in which text we applying this effect. So I just want to applying this effect over T. So now we have to press Control Shift and plus key. Okay, Control Shift and plus key, not that this plus. We have to click this plus. Okay, so I'm pressing right now Control Shift and plus key. Okay, so it's become superscript. But you have to remember one thing, my friends, the plus key that you're gonna select it, it's actually the alphabetical sides plus key. Okay, so that's mean this plus key, you have to select this plus key. Okay, not the number portions of plus key, you have to select the alphabetical portions plus key. Okay, then you can only doing this superscript. Okay, next one is subscript. Again you have to select some word first. Again I'm just providing this T as effect, so I have to click the control and plus key, so it's become subscript. Okay, so that's we can easily do the superscript and subscript from our keyboard. For superscript we have to click the control shift plus, and for subscript we click that control and only plus. Okay, next option or next shortcut is control shift and C for formatting copy. For formatting any copy I have to do a format first, so I just want to select this word, and I want to format or I want to give effect on this selected word. So I want to color this word as red, and I want to underline this, and I also want to italic this. Okay, so it's been formatted, this word been formatted. So right now I just want to copy that format, not the text, my friend. I am not copying that text, I am copying that text format. That means that style I am gonna applying on this text. So I want to select that, and after selecting I just pressed from the keyboard that control shift and C. So it's been formatted, it's been copied. Now I want to paste that formations on another text. So I want to paste that formation on this paste word. So what will be the shortcut key? Control shift and V for the paste format paste. Okay, so control shift and V. So this formatted style will apply on this form or on that format, that word. Okay, I am not gonna applying separately this format from this particular word. I am just applying the formatting like color and underline and italic only this word, and after formatting this I am copying that formatting from using control shift and C key. Then I just pasted that formatting. I just press from my keyboard control shift and V. Okay, so that's cool, that's easy. Okay, next part is from go to option. We already discussed our previous video that how we can go to or how we can jump over some pages for pressing control G. Okay, so I'm pressing control G, so go to options are appear. But now another options word provided us, which is F5. You can see that from your top of the keyboard lots of functions keys are over there as like F1 to F12. So from this function key I'm clicking F5. When you click F5, the same go to options are appear. Okay, so from now you can write the page number, and from and clicking next we can easily go to that page. Okay, so next option is F12. F12 is directly opening the save as option. I'm pressing F12 from my keyboard. I'm pressing F12. Okay, and it's opening our save as panel, and from this save as panel we easily can save our file. Okay, next one is control shift and less than key. Control shift and less than key used to help us for font decreasing. So for applying this features, I have to select this text, and for applying I have to press control shift and less than sign, so it decrease the font size. And if we want to increase that font size, the next one, my friend, control shift and greater than sign. So again I'm pressing control shift and greater than sign, so it automatically increase. Okay, so we can easily found that how you can decrease and how you can increase. The both signs are same, or both keys are same, control and shift. The difference between less than and greater than sign. Okay, the next one is control plus mouse scroll bar. Mouse scroll bar means in your mouse you can see that that a scroll bar in between the left and right keys. Okay, so I have to press the control and mouse scroll bar up. Up means the page will be zoom in, and if we scroll down from the mouse scroll bar, then the screen or page will zoom out. Okay, so you can see these features. This is amazing. And next features is, or next shortcut is F7. When you press F7 from our function key, then a spelling and grammar dialog box, or spelling on or grammar box will open, and now from here we can easily check our spellings. Okay, so next topic is, or next shortcut is control sorry, not control shift, we already discussed this. Yeah, F7. Next is alt F5. If we press alt F5, then our recent program is will be closed. Okay, so I'm pressing alt F5. Our recent program will be closed, but after before closing our program, Word want to warning me that do you want to save the changes. I'm click yes, I want to save the changes what I'm changing right now. Okay, so yes, and my program will be closed. And if I want to again open that file, then I have to click on that particular file on double click. Okay, yes, so I'm here again, I'm opening my same file, and the next option is control alt control S. It split the document window. It's really very interesting, so let's try. I'm pressing alt control and S. Okay, a cursor will appear, and I want to adjust this cursor, that in which position I want to split it my window. From this position I want to split it my window. So from here I stay my cursor and just click it. Yes. So you can so you can see this, that our window will split it into two portions. The down portions is also the same, you can see this, that if I go to the top of the bar, yes, the our front page will appear, and the first portions window is also the same page carrying, but the difference, this is a very interesting features actually, and its uses is huge. But the advantage of this splitting window, we can easily copy or writing some two or more documents, write a single task or write a single time. Okay, we can do some works, or we can do lots of work in a single window for splitting our windows. Okay, so that's so this is the features. And if you want to go back from this window, then we're again pressing the alt control S, again pressing alt control and S, so the splitted window is gone. Okay, next option is alt shift and D. It insert current date. So I want to insert today's date, that's mean current date, that's mean it's generated from your computer by default date. So I'm pressing alt shift and D. Is generate the current date, 18 September 18. Okay, so this is so today's date is generated. Okay, and next option is alt shift and T. It inserted time, that's mean it's insert the current time right now. Okay, so I'm pressing alt shift and T. It generated that time, 1:34 a.m. Okay, so next option is shift arrow key. If we press shift arrow, then we can select any text from left, right, top and down side. If we press shift and left arrow key, then it's selected from right to left side. and if we want to select that text from left to right side, then I have to click the cursor first, then I have to press the shift key, then right arrow key. So it's been selected. So this is the features of shift arrow key. Okay, next shortcut is shift home. If we press shift home from my window, from my keyboard, then select line from end to top. If I placed my cursor here, then after I'm pressing shift home, then total line will selected at a single press. Okay, and if I want to select the line from start to end, then I have to put my cursor here, then I press shift end. So it's been selected. So it's easy that if I want to select my text from end to start, then I have to click shift home, and if I want to select my text start to end, then I have to click shift end. Okay, it's easy. Yeah, next shortcut key is window key plus M. It's minimizing the window. If I want to minimize the window, then I have to click window key from your keyboard and press M. Yes, it's been minimized. Okay, then I'm again pressing, and I'm again maximize my window. So it's easy, right? Okay, next option is alt tab. Alt tab is help us to switch between one window to another window. Let's see, I'm pressing alt and tab from my keyboard. Yes, so right now I have 1 2 3 4 5 window. Okay, so I want to go to that window, right? So I'm just selecting tab. Yes, from pressing alt and tab, I'm switch over more than one window which are already opened in my desktop right now. You can see that that this window page and this one, this all are open. So I'm go over or jump over all this window from selecting alt and tab option. Okay, next one is double click. If we double click over some text, then I'm just clicking my mouse pointer, click. Okay, yes, so it's selected a particular text, right? And if we triple click on some text, then it selected the full paragraph selection. So I'm clicking over that 3 click as like click. Yes, so it's selected the all sentence at a single time, right? So you can understand the double click and triple click difference. Yes, double click is selected a single text, click, and triple click is selected the whole text at a same time. Okay, so that's all, my friend. This is the all advanced features Windows MS Words have provided us. I know this is not the end. I'm providing all of you that others also MS Word features, so don't go away. Please keep watching my channel, and please do subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe today, right now, and share my channel, like it if you like this. So for today, that's all. Thank you, my friend. Bye bye, signing off.